Hi, welcome to another video about Audi A2 project Youngtimer. This video will be a little bit shorter and is just here to show you how strange things, not planned things happen when you are trying to get an old car back on the road. So last week I tried to check under the engine if there are any problems, any leaks and everything, but I was not able to unscrew the plastic protection, below the engine. And why? Because one screw started to rotate freely instead of being fixed. Which screw is the problem? The problem is the screw here. If we look here under the wheel arch, as you can see, this screw here that holds the plastic under engine protection, it does not, it moves freely. It does not stay fixed. So I was not able to unscrew it and take out the plastic protection. I will do this now. I will try to unscrew it. As you can see here, I will try to unscrew it, and after that I will think about it what to replace it with, since the screw will not be usable anymore. So let's start with this, and I will prepare everything, and then we can start with trying to get this screw off. As you can see, I'm already in my working clothes. I have already removed, put the car up on the lift, put the axle stand just for additional safety, remove the wheel, and now we are ready to I'm ready to remove the bolt. I'll use this for this small axle grinder, which should do the job, and after that, this is it. Let's go to work. But before, I need to use one additional safety. If you are using axle grinder, of course you need the protection for your eyes. So my safety glasses are on, and now let's go to work. Okay, and now let's check the result, the final result. And as you can see, the nut has been removed, and I will be able to take out the plastic, the undercover plastic, and also the plastic is still completely fine, except here is a little scratch from the angle grinder, but this is just a cosmetic thing. And of course, I will probably just use a plastic clip when I will be installing the plastic cover back, because now the screw is gone. And that's it. The screw was cut, so now I'm able to remove the undertray from the car, plastic undertray, and do all the maintenance work on the engine, oil change and everything. I hope that in the future it will be less or even no other surprises like this, but I doubt a little bit, because there are a lot of screws that are full of rust. Thank you for watching. Drive safe and smile when you drive, because driving is fun. Bye.